Okay, welcome to another video for port forwarding. In this video we are using the Thomson TG585 version 8 router, but the interface is very similar to TG585 version 7 and also with the 784 and 780 VoIP routers from the same company. Okay, let's say that we want to open port 63100. The information that we need before we begin is the router's IP address and the computer's IP address. So let's see our IP settings. Open Network Settings Center, go to Change Adapter Settings, left click to the local area connection if you are using Ethernet, or into the wireless area connection if you are connecting by wireless. Click Properties, then select the Ethernet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. Now, as we can see here, we have statically assigned an IP address on this computer is the 192.168.1.10 IP address. Okay, you see it here, and the default gateway, which is in fact our router's IP address, is 192.168.1.254. If in your computer you have the option of updating an IP address automatically, you need to assign a static IP address. So if you do not know how, please refer to our first video. I believe that's going to be very helpful. So click OK, close. Okay, before we begin, let's check what the port status is. Okay, port number to check is 63100, the protocol TCP. Okay, you see that your port is not open or not reachable. Let's check UDP also. Now we have two protocols open. Okay. Once again, your port is not open or not reachable. Okay, let's minimize that from the time being. We'll use it again later. Okay, let's now access the interface of the router. Open a web browser. Let's say Opera, for example. Okay, in the address bar, type your router's IP address and press enter. Okay, I've been prompted for a username and password, but most likely you won't be asked for anything. You just, when you type the IP address, you will automatically go to this screen, to this page. Okay, this is the router's interface. The option that we're looking for is in the toolbox, in the game and application sharing. Okay, at first we need to create a new rule, a new port forward rule, to say which ports we need to open anyway, and then assigning to a specific local device. So to create a new game or application rule, click here. In the name, you can type whatever you want. It's just for reference. Okay, let's type Geeks 101 for example. Select manual entry of port maps and click next. Now in the protocol you can choose TCP, UDP or any, which means both of them, so it's better to click to leave it on any. On the port range, if you need to open many ports which are continuous, you can type the beginning of the port range to this field and the end of the port range to this field. But in this case we need to open the 63100 ports, so we type in both of these fields the same port. Leave the translate to and the trigger port fields blank, and okay, click add. Okay, you see here that the rule has been created. So now we need to forward this rule to specific device. So click assign a game or application to a local network device. Okay. Let's wait for a sec. Okay. Okay. Now, on the game or application, select the rule that you created. In this case is Geeks 101. In the device you can select it from a list. Here is my PC, but it's better. It's best practice to click user define, and in this field you will type the IP address of your device. In this case is 192.168.1.z, as we said earlier. So click add. Okay, and now you can see that the rule Geeks 101, which is by the port 63100, is assigned to the device, to my computer anyway. So we're probably done. Let's check if we were successful. Let's open our port checker tool. Let's check TCP now. Okay, now you can see your port is open on this computer. Let's check UDP also. Waiting for the packet to get here. Okay, we have the same good result. Your port is open. So we're done. Okay, stay tuned. More examples with different routers are coming soon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.